So let's be real, laundry can be a challenge, right? Whether it's stains, odors, maybe our husband's white undershirt, like the work shirts, dull white, stingy fabrics, sports clothes, the smells. Norwex has 3 laundry boosters, and they are designed to come in and give us a little boost on some of those tough laundry problems where we want something really effective but also safe for our family and our fabrics. So our 3 laundry boosters are game changers. I'm going to quickly go over them. So the first one is the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. This is going to be your go-to product for deep cleaning your Norwex microfiber, but you can also use it on other fabrics. It is a powerful powder. It is packed with concentrated enzyme power boosters to come in and tackle that set-in grime and dirt, odors, stains, all the things. And honestly, it restores your Norwex microfiber to a like-new condition, not only ensuring that they keep performing well, removing that bacteria, right? But also so you have them for many years. I use this on my Norwex that I've had for at least 5 years now. And I use it every 2 to 3 months. It still works like new and it feels soft. They absorb water well, very easy to use. You just fill a sink with hot water. You dissolve a scoop of the microfiber booster and you literally put your cloths in and you will watch the grime and dirt completely lift away from your used microfiber cloth. How does this work? So the enzymes go in and they break down those tough residues. They kind of help them release from the fibers. It also has water softening ingredients. And the reason why that's important when deep soaking is because it prevents that grime from redepositing on the fibers after we deep soak them. This is safe for all your Norwex microfiber and any other machine washable fabrics you have. It's honestly a must-have for fresh, odor-free microfiber that will last you many, many years. I've also used it on things I can't fit in the washing machine, like pillows and comforters. Now, next up, we have our Bright and White Laundry and Home Booster. This has active oxygen and enzymes. It's a much safer alternative than bleach. It whitens your whites, brightens your colors. It removes the set-in stains that can make whites really dull, right? And it also protects our fabrics. And it's not just for laundry. You can use Bright and White as a multi-purpose cleaner, which I'm obsessed with, for grout, sinks, tile, more. Now, as a laundry additive, you're just going to add a scoop of this to your Norwex detergent for brighter whites and fresher fabrics. For household cleaning, you're going to mix a little bit in a spray bottle of water. Use that for your bathroom tile, maybe stubborn stains. You'll be amazed at the results. Now, the secret of why this works so well is that it has active oxygen combined with some enzymes like cellulase, amylase, and monoamines, which work together to break down grime and organic stains separately. This actually has several of the same enzymes that are in our PowerZyme laundry detergent, but this is a much more concentrated form, which gives us a really good deep clean and whitening effect that's much better than bleach. This is also safe for septic systems. It's vegan, free of harsh chemicals, and none of our products are ever tested on animals. Finally, we have our laundry stain remover. This is your targeted plant-based gel. It is perfect for pre-treating stubborn stains, maybe things from makeup, coffee, grass stains. It's actually formulated with 5 enzymes, and it also has biodegradable surfactants that really do a good job dissolving stains before they set. Just a tiny bit's all you need. It will last you forever. So leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. And for best results, you will always want to try to treat stains immediately, although this has worked really well on set-in stains that are older. So this formula is gentle enough for baby clothes. You can also use it on delicates, but it's powerful enough to tackle grease, dirt, even that tough ring around the collar. The bottle is also recyclable, which helps us reduce our plastic waste. So in my lifetime, I've used lots of different laundry boosters before Norwex, and I really didn't care about the ingredients in the boosters because I didn't know any better, right? So I used to use chlorine bleach, which actually accounts for over 31,000 poison controls annually, many involving children. And as a grandmother of 4, I really want to take that into account, what I'm bringing into the house. Also, optical brighteners that were in my previous boosters, they don't break down in nature, which can harm aquatic life. And Norwex laundry boosters overall, they're free from harsh chemicals like SLS, phosphates, synthetic fragrances that can often be really irritating to our skin as well. And in terms of which booster should you use at what time, think of Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster as your Norwex Microfiber Deep Soaker. You can also use it on other things, but if you want your microfiber to last forever, you're going to want to have this in the laundry room. Your Bright and White is your bleach alternative. It's perfect for whitening, brightening, but you can also use it around the house as a multi-purpose cleaner, and it works fantastic. And then laundry stain remover, this is your pre-treatment product. You see a tough stain, red wine, coffee, blood, and you want to treat it. Maybe you can't wash it right away. Put a little bit of this on there and it will help lift that up out of the fibers before they set in. So with any of the Norwex Laundry Boosters, we're saying goodbye, girls, to the stains, the odors, the harmful chemicals, and our laundry routines just got a lot easier. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about the proper use and maybe when to use some of our boosters. And let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.